I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace speakers in a Nissan Altima. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your car's negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Make sure your new speakers are the correct size, typically 5 inches for most Altima models, to ensure a perfect fit and sound quality. Now let's get to removing the old speakers. Begin by gently prying off the door panel. There are usually a few hidden screws, often behind the door handle or window switch, so locate and remove those first. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for the window switch or door lock. Finally, unscrew the existing speaker, which is typically held in place by 4 screws, and carefully remove it. With the old speaker out, it's time to install your new one. First, connect the new speaker's wires to your car's wiring harness. You might need an adapter harness for a seamless connection, preventing the need to cut factory wires. Secure the new speaker firmly into the mounting bracket using the screws you removed earlier. Ensure it sits flush. Then, carefully reattach the door panel, making sure all clips align and snap into place, and reconnect any electrical connectors. Almost done. Reconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Before fully buttoning everything up, turn on your car and test the new speakers. Play some music to ensure they are working correctly and sound great. Listen for any buzzing or distortion. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your speakers. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed during your next project. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.